Welcome to Car Kings TV. Today, we're diving into a vehicle that's turning heads and shaking up the electric SUV market, the Ford Mustang Mach-E. A name that carries the muscle of Mustang history, combined with the innovation of electric performance. This is not your typical crossover. Let's start with the design. The Mach-E doesn't try to hide its Mustang DNA. With sleek lines, a sculpted hood, tri-bar taillights, and a sporty stance, it screams performance, even at a standstill. The front end, while missing the traditional Mustang grille, still manages to project confidence with a clean, aerodynamic face that tells you this car means business. Ford has done a solid job blending classic cues with futuristic touches, creating something both nostalgic and fresh. Under the hood, or rather, beneath the floor, lies its true revolution, the electric powertrain. The Mustang Mach-E offers several variants, from the base Select to the high-performance GT. Depending on the model, you get either a standard or extended range battery and a choice between rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. The GT model, in particular, brings thrilling acceleration, going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 3.5 seconds, putting it right in line with some serious sports cars. Now, let's talk range. With the extended battery, the Mach-E delivers up to 312 miles on a single charge, making it a strong contender for daily driving and long-distance trips alike. Charging is made easy with Ford's network of public charging stations and compatibility with most home chargers. Using a DC fast charger, you can get about 60 miles of range in just 10 minutes. Inside, the Mach-E feels more like a tech lounge than a traditional car. A massive 15.5-inch vertical touchscreen dominates the dashboard, running Ford's Sync 4A system. It's fast, responsive, and intuitive. Plus, there's a physical volume knob embedded into the screen, which is a nice blend of analog and digital. The interior is spacious, with a flat floor that gives rear passengers plenty of legroom, and a panoramic glass roof that floods the cabin with light. Safety and driver assistance tech is also top tier. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and Ford's Blue Cruise, offering hands-free driving on approved highways, add to the convenience and peace of mind. Ford has made a clear statement. The Mach-E isn't just about performance, it's about smart, responsible innovation too. Driving the Mach-E is a pleasure. It's quiet, refined, and responsive. The instant torque from the electric motors makes every press of the accelerator feel exciting, while the low center of gravity helps it handle corners with surprising agility for a crossover. There's even a simulated engine sound option for those who miss the roar of a traditional Mustang. In short, the Ford Mustang Mach-E redefines what it means to drive a Mustang. It's bold, it's electric, and it's here to lead Ford into the future. Whether you're a muscle car fan, a tech lover, or just someone looking to go electric without compromise, the Mach-E is definitely worth a closer look. Thanks for watching Car Kings TV, where the road to the future begins.